Oh, we're good to go. Okay, so let's get started. Hello and welcome. Thank you all for taking the time to be here today. My name is Anita, and I am the marketing specialist for the Asia Pacific team at Grandstream Networks. I am based in our Los Angeles office in the United States. Also here today we have our lovely technical support engineer, Shi Ying, who is coming to you from our office in Malaysia. We are covering a lot of exciting materials today, so I hope that you all made time for the next half hour or so. Feel free to type in the chat box anytime if you have any questions or if you just want to get to know each other. We will also have a Q&A session at the end of the presentation. And without further ado, let's begin this exciting webinar on Wi-Fi and networking solutions. First off, I'm going to start with an animation to illustrate the importance of Wi-Fi solutions using our networking portfolio of the GWN series, so enjoy.
Welcome to Grandstream Networks. My name is Anita, and I will be presenting Grandstream's powerful wireless and networking solutions. It has become virtually impossible to imagine our personal and working lives without Wi-Fi. Being connected to the internet means we can achieve things far quicker and more efficiently than ever. With today's global landscape, staying connected is a must. From airports to coffee shops to doctors' offices, we as consumers expect fast Wi-Fi to be available wherever we go. Yet despite our expectations as consumers, many business owners are reluctant to commit to the added expense of high-speed Wi-Fi for both employees and customers. Luckily, business owners no longer need to worry about the expense or complexity of traditional systems. For employees to be at their most productive and happiest, they need to be able to count on their tools and programs. I'm here to show you how providing business Wi-Fi services can make a significant difference in employee and customer satisfaction, company profitability, and team productivity. Everyone wants to be connected, and there is no better way to stay connected than with Grandstream's GWN series. The GWN series comes with rich and powerful features such as embedded controllers and the ability to create site-to-site VPNs. For example, if I were to travel to Grandstream's main office in Boston, I should be able to connect to the same network as if I am currently in our Los Angeles office and have access to the same productivity resources. Studies have suggested that small retail businesses are indeed seeing a return from offering complimentary Wi-Fi to their customers. The biggest benefits include foot traffic, time spent on premises, and helps customers to make purchasing decisions. With the GWN series, you can easily set up, manage, and offer a complete, seamless, fast Wi-Fi network to your customers without the need of highly skilled IT staff or separate hardware or software controllers due to embedded controller. Captive Portal offers businesses a powerful tool to manage customer data and value-added services. To get started, a customer would need to first select the Wi-Fi network on their wireless device. Once the network is selected, a splash screen will pop up, which asks the customer to accept certain terms and conditions. After accepting the terms and conditions, temporary access will be enabled for your customer, leaving them with more time in your shop or facility. For hospitality, this same captive portal feature can be used a little differently, where you have to log in using your own specific information to access the Wi-Fi network, such as providing your room number or the person's last name that booked the room. Attract new customers by taking full advantage of the value that Wi-Fi solution has to offer. Grandstream's GWN series provides fast and reliable business-grade Wi-Fi support for any type of business. We believe every business, large or small, should have the tools to communicate from anywhere on any device. If you would like to get started with using our Grandstream products or have any questions, please feel free to contact sales_Asia@grandstream.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Also, follow us on Facebook at APAC Grandstream. Thank you for watching.
Moving on to our agenda, I will be covering Grandstream's overview, our product portfolio, followed by our main focus for GrandStream's Wi-Fi products and how those can be used as solutions in different business scenarios. Then we will briefly discuss on how you can be part of the fun and become a certified GrandStream reseller yourself. And finally, wrapping it all up with GrandStream's new GWN 7600LR demo. So, for those of you that are not familiar with GrandStream, we have been manufacturing award-winning IP voice, video, data, and mobility solutions since 2002, and employs over 500 of the brightest and best individuals. GrandStream strives to provide leading-edge IP products and solutions to bring quality, reliability, and innovation where small, medium, and big enterprises and markets can truly access their fullest potential in becoming more productive than ever. With our comprehensive wide range of product portfolio, GrandStream can cater to any business needs. So as you can see here, GrandStream can be seen across a global scale. In the United States, we have our main headquarters in Boston. Again, I am based in our LA office. We have another office in Dallas, Texas. We have our warehouse in the Netherlands, Malaysia. Our newest office is our Asia Pacific Support Center, Venezuela, our Latin America Support Center, and we have 2 offices in China. In Morocco, we have our Europe, Middle East, and Africa Support Center. And with all that support and effort from our global family, we are always striving to grow and build relationships with all our partners around the world. And in GrandStream, we believe in connecting the world. We believe every business, large or small, should have the tools to communicate from anywhere on any device. And we design products that make this belief become a reality. So in other words, we want to provide opportunities for all businesses to have access to our services by providing a wide range of products while being obtainable. We want to empower you to do your best in communications. And now for our product portfolio, we have, first we have our ATAs and gateways. For those of you that don't know, GrandStream started its core business with manufacturing ATAs and gateways. We are known to be the #1 manufacturer of these products. And after ATAs, we got into IP voice telephony, where we have developed a wide range of IP phones, everything from small business phones to featuring rigid enterprise phones. This product line has become one of the most important segments in our portfolio, providing a different flavor to meet a vast amount of market needs. And then we took things a step further with our IP video telephony, which is unique because it runs on an Android platform, allowing customization features and flexibility for all users to create their own customizable applications using Google's API. Also embedded into this device is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which gives way for mobility in the office. And next we have our IP-BBX models. This is our UCM 6200 series, which is the greatest standout in GrandStream's product portfolio. And for one upfront cost, you will have enterprise-grade features, which includes voice, video, data, and mobility bundled into one device. So all with no licensing fees. This is what really makes this product attractive because competitors usually require a licensing fee for these great features. So this really makes the UCM unmatched in the industry today. And next we have our access control solutions. This is another segment that is unique in our portfolio, which has a range of IP surveillance cameras and IP door phones. These products integrate seamlessly with our IP telephony portfolio due to the fact that they run on SIP. And moving over to our business conferencing, the GVC 3200 series, which was released 2 years ago, has revolutionized the video conferencing industry that we know today. Also running on an Android platform, our GVC 3200 series allows you to use multiple technologies and protocols such as Skype, Google Hangout, H.323, and SIP. It allows you to bridge those technologies under one video conference call. Another great thing about this product is that right out of the box, when you order the GVC 3200, it comes bundled with a one-year free plan of GrandStream's very own cloud collaboration services, the IP Video Talk. And IP Video Talk is actually the service that we're using right now to hold the webinar. So you can join a meeting in one click of a button on either your phone or your PC from anywhere at any time. And finally, we have GrandStream's most recent addition to the portfolio, our networking solutions. We will be discussing about this segment shortly, so let's skip over to this lovely diagram. This shows how everything can come together to create an ultimate scalable solution using our GrandStream products. There are a range of different endpoints that can be used to create your own unified communication solutions. So as you can see, for every deployment scenario, we have a solution for. Take, for example, in the reception office shown on the left, includes enterprise-grade IP phones with multiple extension boards. The receptionist can use our IP phones to monitor everyone's extension to see who is available and can transfer calls when is needed. And GrandStream is known for our revolutionary conferencing solutions. Our products are easy to install and easy to use without having to sacrifice any special features or functionalities. Rather than relying on multiple manufacturers for their complicated and restrictive solutions, GrandStream provides a one-stop shop that can fit all your business wants and needs. This makes it super convenient and easy for our customers. Most of these solutions actually require different brands, but with GrandStream, no other company combines all these solutions under one platform. This truly is the value that GrandStream can provide for a business. And one last example I wanted to talk through before I move on is the main office shown also on the left side of the diagram, where every individual may have an IP phone on their desk. They are able to connect their PCs or laptops to the network using our GWN Wi-Fi equipment, which we will be diving into right now. So this is our GWN series networking solution. First off, let me introduce you to the GWN 7610. It is our first ever wireless high-powered access point that's ideal for office buildings, multiple floor locations, branch offices, basically for any business trying to expand their Wi-Fi coverage. The GWN 7610 works with any third-party router, switch, and offers a number of significant competitive advantages, including outstanding wireless coverage range of 175 meters. With this device, you can create up to 16 different networks. It has extremely fast and reliable speed bundled with strong security features that allows you to connect up to 250 concurrent clients with one access point. And next we have our GWN 7600. It has all the same great enterprise features as the GWN 7610, but designed with the small to medium businesses in mind. It's a mid-tier 802.11 AC Wave 2 Wi-Fi access point. It offers dual-band 2x2 multi-user MIMO with beam-forming technology and a sophisticated antenna designed for maximum network throughput, an expanded coverage range of 165 meters, and has a 1.27 gigabyte per second throughput. The 7600 is packed with strong networking features, which can connect up to 450 concurrent clients. And the best feature about the GWN series is that they all have embedded controllers. It's great for existing Wi-Fi network deployment and is super easy and quick to set up. To ensure easy installation and management, the GWN uses a distributed network management design and in which the controller is built in. This allows each access point to manage, provision, configure, and connect to a network of up to 30 APs for the GWN 7600 and 50 for the GWN 7610. This gives independence without the need of a separate hardware or software controller and without a single point of failure. And to tie in our wireless network portfolio, we have launched our GWN 7000 multi-WAN gigabit VPN router. Bundled into this device are all the enterprise-grade features you would expect from a router of this class. This supports all the VPN flavors and has a built-in controller that can manage up to 300 APs. The GWN 7000 has multiple WAN ports with load balancing and or failover, and it also has rich firewall features that includes powerful DPI. We've received tremendous positive feedback, specifically in the commercial sector for this product. Excuse me. The new GWN series lines of networking products allows you to build simple and easy everyday solutions. Okay, so take, for example, a coffee shop. Everyone is familiar with going to a coffee shop. So imagine yourself stepping in a cafe for a cup of coffee, and while you're waiting for your drink, you try to connect to the free Wi-Fi. And before you are able to browse through the internet, you are first presented with a splash screen where you must agree to the terms and conditions, or what they call the acceptable usage policy. Once you agree to those terms and conditions, you are allowed to enjoy the complimentary services. And studies have suggested that small retail businesses are seeing a return from offering complimentary Wi-Fi to their customers. The biggest benefits include foot traffic, time spent on premises, and influencing customers to make purchasing decisions. So everyone has been to a coffee shop. I'm sure everyone has also been to a hotel. For hospitality, it can be used a little differently, where you have a login using your own specific information to gain access to the Wi-Fi, such as providing your room number or the person's last name that booked the room. There are different ways of accessing a captive portal, and these are just some of the many examples of providing authorization for that. We actually have a case study published on this scenario on our website, so if you want to check that out. Now, to create an easy networking system for companies who have multiple branches in different locations, they would each need a router and 1 or 2 access points. By doing this, they can share a virtual private network, meaning if I were to go to our main office in Boston, I would still be connected to the same network as I currently am in the LA office, using the credentials only specific for me. And last but not least, we have our upcoming product, the GWN 7600LR, long-range outdoor wireless access point. I'm very excited about this product because it will be launched tomorrow. So please check out our website and for all the complete specs. The GWN 7600LR is a mid-tier 802.11 AC Wave 2 Wi-Fi access point. It offers dual band of 2x2 multi-user MIMO, and just like the GWN 7600, it has an embedded controller and supports more than 450 Wi-Fi client devices. The thing that sets this apart from other GWNs is that it's special, waterproof, and heat-resistant casing, making this great for outdoor usage. Whether you need long-range Wi-Fi outside, a tropical or freezing climate. This would be perfect for hotels who might have a nice and open pool area, or for a car dealership where you are in more need of an open range, for a school campus, or even for an outdoor festival. This product is great and ready for any environment. And here are some lifestyle pictures of the GWN LR. And here is an outdoor deployment scenario where you can have multiple LRs to cover a large area. And just to give you a full understanding, what to soccer fields. That I would say is pretty incredible coverage. So now let's take a look at a typical solution of how a general business environment is. And as you can see, for this grand solution to work, it requires a wireless network using our router and access point. It easily integrates with our GXV3275, deck phone, surveillance, and many more of our Wi-Fi based products. You'll definitely be seeing more of our IP phones with Wi-Fi integration coming from GrandStream in the future. And to break it down more concretely, shown here is an example of a small office that easily integrates with our Wi-Fi network portfolio. All of this is possible because you're managing all your platforms from a single location, which is the UCM in the lower center. As you can see from this diagram, you have your IP phones, your IP video phones, access control, and IP surveillance, as well as your conferencing, all managed centrally by the UCM and networked together with the GWN series. Again, GrandStream, we believe in connecting the world. We have offices all across the globe, and our site-to-site features on our GWN routers are one way to keep all offices connected globally. As you can see in this picture here, we replicated this strategy with our IP Video Talk Cloud collaboration services, as well as our IP PBX UCM 6200 series, which allows me to make local calls with an extension to any of my colleagues worldwide. So please remember to visit our website at www.grandstream.com for great resources such as full product specs, data sheets, guides, technical how-tos, and videos. And if you haven't already yet, please sign up to become a certified GrandStream reseller. In being part of this awesome program, you will get priority support tickets, updates on news, webinars, and training materials. You will also receive a logo on the top right that indicates to your consumers that you are a trusted reseller. So now we will be going to our GWN LR demo from Xi. And
hi everyone. Can you see my screen? Is this laggy? Hi. All right. So I'm going to show you how it looks like for a GWN long-range Wi-Fi. So this is how it looks like. So it's a long one, and there's a LED light here. So right now it's showing blue, means that it's actually connected successfully. And I'm going to turn behind, and you can see that there's a the mounting place, and with the package it actually come with some screw and a few kits, the casket kit. Yep, it comes with a base bracket and also a cover bracket. So here you can see there are 2 ports available. There's a NAT port and also a PoE port, with also the MAC address shown behind. So this is our wireless long-range outdoor access point. So on the other hand, we do have the indoor one, which looks like this one. I believe you guys have quite familiar with this. This is the GWN 7600, and this is how it looks like. So it has a USB port with a PoE and a NAT port, so it also can be power on and also a power source here. So after this, I'm going to show demo on how to access to the web interface of both of these GWN access point. Right now, I'm going to share my screen. Just give me a second. Okay. So when you have your GWN power on, so the first thing you have to do is to discover its IP address. So in this case, I will use a tool called GWN Discovery Tool. So this tool can be downloaded from our support page. And once you install onto your laptop, you can actually click to select the interface. For this case, I'm going to choose Ethernet as I'm connected to the Ethernet port. And then you click OK. And then you click clear and stop. So so I have this list of GWN actually connected in my office or in my lab, and you can locate which one you want to configure or manage. So we have this one. Oh. So you will get to the admin login page, and here's the place for you to key in your username and your admin password. So at the first login, actually asks you to change your default password for the admin. Because the default one is the admin, which is not that recommended, so I have changed it to another one. And when you log in, you will get to see this dashboard overview page, and you can see the list of access point connected, the Discover, the client, the top access point used, and the top SSID used. Also, the access point channel distribution link. You can see that it's using a channel 1 for the 2.4 gigahertz signal and a channel 36 for the 5 gigahertz. Then I will navigate to the access point tab. In this page, you can see that it's showing a status master because, and also the firmware version of 1.1.0.2.51, and its power uptime of 46 minutes. So you can discover the access point available. So here we can see that there's one GWN 7610 is available for you to pair with. So here I'm going to click, and then you can see that it's shown offline. I think it will take some minutes to get it provisioned and show it online. Yeah, it's showing provisioning status. And it shows online. So for this 7610, it is actually act as a slave access point. So when you try to access to it, it will show as and in this web meter page, it does not allow you to go into the configuration page as the master AP has the right to access to do the configuration at this page. So this is how easily our GWN able to provision, discover, and manage a list of access points through a master controller page. And next, I'm going to go to a network group. So we have a default network group in each master's access point. And here, if you click the edit button, you can see the basic tab, Wi-Fi tab, and also device membership. So in the Wi-Fi tab, you can see that there's a default SSID available here. So if you want to change it, you can go to and then you can select your security mode, your WPA key modes, encryption types, and also the password. And then if you want, you can enable the client isolation via radio mode, internet mode, or gateway MAC. and then you can save and click to apply. So it takes a few seconds to apply the changes. And once it's applied successfully, you can see the list of Yep. So you can see the SSID has been updated in my network setting here. You can connect if you want. Other than this, you can actually add additional SSID. So once you have more than one network group, you can create multiple SSID and you can allocate the client distribution. It will allow a better performance and allow good client distribution per network group. So same as previously, you can create another web SSID name. I call it two. Then save. And it takes some time to get this apply. So once you apply successfully, you can actually use a laptop or your mobile phone to make sure that it's actually created successfully in the network list. Here you go. Oh, here. So apart from the SSID, we have a system system which allow you to, if you have any issue, you can use our maintenance, our debug tool to capture the packet, and then you can identify what's actually causing the issues. You can use our built-in ping or trace route tool. So for example, you want to do a simple ping from our GWN, you can just run, and they will show the result of the ping. So it's showing that the packet is transmitted and 0 packet loss. And for the tools, built-in tools, we have a IPv4 ping, IPv6 ping as well. So it supports the dual protocol. And also we have a real-time syslog in this built-in control-based webs where you can actually see what's happening or running in the devices. And lastly, we have maintenance. So here's a place for you to upgrade your GWN. So you can actually configure the firmware server, the URL put here, and then you can click to upgrade our GWN access point. And you can factory reset and reboot from this page as well. Additionally, you can configure a syssoft server. If you have a external syssoft server, you can just put in the IP address and save here, so that it's saved to your external syssoft server in real time. Yeah, pretty much it's all about the web interface of a GWN 7600, and yeah, that's all from me. I'll pass it on to Anita.
Okay, so I apologize for all the malfunctions and everything. I'll send the video out to everyone so that they can have a copy. And I really appreciate all your attendance. And I hope to see you all in the future. If you want to email us, it's sales_asia@grandstream.com. And we will just continue using the chat box for any questions that you might have.